Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let me introduce myself. My name is LUEVRIANUS Pasingkki Sollu. My major Nautika Department. I'm from AIPI Makassar.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is SAHRUL. My major Nautika Department. I am from AIPI Makassar. Good afternoon, doctor.
Good evening. Have a seat, please. What's the problem?
Height happen attention for the last to the sign. My throat is very sore.
Are you coughing?
No, doc. I am always sneezing.
Okay, let me check. It's nothing serious. You've just got influenza. I'll write prescription for you. Here you are.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Good evening, doctor.
Good afternoon. Have a seat, please. What's the problem?
I have had heavy headaches for the last 2 days and my throat is very sore.
Are you coughing?
No, doctor, but I'm always sneezing.
Okay, let me check. It's nothing serious. You just go influenza. Always worry the present reason for you. Here you are.
Thank you.
You're welcome.